Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use MusicLM. Now if you're not sure what MusicLM is, it's Google's brand new tool that they're going to be bringing out soon. And it says right here, it's an experimental technology that allows you to generate your own synthetic music for inspiration. So what this basically means is it allows us to turn text into music, and we can basically type what we want to create in this box. And then when we click this arrow, it will actually generate it for us. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So to use it is very simple. You can either type what you want to create in here, or you can try some of these prompts. So let's just say we wanted to click this bottom one, and this will basically generate ambient, soft sounding music that I can study to. So when you click on that, it brings it up into this box, and then you can simply just click this arrow and it will begin generating it. Okay, so it actually crashed then when I tried it, so I'll try that again. So I'll choose this one. This is a bit more of a complex prompt this time. This time it's a jazzy piece with a smooth saxophone solo. The sound is both sophisticated and playful with a slow tempo. So let's see what this sounds like. So when you generate it, it only takes a few seconds to load. And when it does, it actually gives you two versions. As you can see, it actually gives you two versions of the song. So you can listen to both of them. And whichever one's better, you just want to click on this trophy to tell Google which one you think sounds better. So let's listen to the first one. So as you can see, that was actually a pretty good outcome for this. Depending on the prompt, sometimes it can come out sounding a bit weird and not exactly what you wanted. You can click this button in the top right corner to learn a bit more about it and see how to make a good prompt. So what they suggest is to be very descriptive, and they say electronic or classical instruments sound the best. It's also good to mention the vibe, mood or emotion you want to create. And it also says how certain queries that mention specific artists or include vocals will not be generated. I'm sure this is something that will be added in the future, but for now it's not quite possible. The first thing I tried to create was a song in the style of someone else, but I learned that it doesn't actually work. But I'm sure they will actually add that in the future. Now they say down here as well to remember to save your creations. So let's just say I did really like this track one. I can click these three dots here, and then I can just go down to the bottom and simply download it if that is something I wanted to download. Now the possibilities for this are endless, so I recommend you try this out for yourself. Try out some prompts and get creative with it and see what kind of results you get. So that's exactly how you can use MusicLM. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.